Good morning, girls. Today we are going to discuss about CSS outline and miscellaneous properties available in CSS. CSS outline. All of you know the border property. The border property displays a border around the element. Outline and border both are different. Outline is placed out around the border. So here are the few properties which we can apply for outlines. One is outline style, outline color, outline width, outline offset. Outline style. This outline style specifies the style of the outline. It has the following properties: dotted, dashed, solid, double, none and hidden. Similarly, like border style properties. So dotted will display a dotted outline around the border. Dashed will display a dashed outline around the border. Solid will display solid outline around the border. Double will display double outline around the border. None will not display any outline. Hidden will display will hide the outline. Outline color. All of you know what is the use of color property. The default outline color is black. If you want to change the outline color, then we can use this property. Outline color value can be given in three ways. One is name of the color. Second one is hexadecimal value. Third one is RGB components. Red, green and blue components. Each is taken in between 0 to 255. Next is outline width, which specifies the thickness of the outline. Here it majorly had three common values: thin, medium or thick. Other than this, we can give size in pixels or points or centimeters, etc. Thin, default is thin. It displays outline in 1 pixel width. Medium, it displays outline in 3 pixel width. Thick, it displays outline in 5 pixel width. If you want to give for example, if you want to give around 9 pixels, then outline width colon 9. If you give 9px, then it displays the outline in 9 pixel width. Outline offset. This property specifies the space between the border and the outline. For example, if I have given 10 pixels, then it leaves 10 pixel space between the border and outline. Now, in this example, I have taken 4 style classes which can be applied only to paragraph elements: ex1, ex2, ex3 and ex4. In each class, I have taken different values for outline properties. All the 4 classes have the border, and the border value is also different. Border, for example, first class has 1 pixel solid border, second class has 2 pixel solid border, third class has a 3 pixel solid border, and fourth class has 4 pixel solid border. Now, outline style of first class is solid, red color with thin. Second class is double, blue with medium. Third class is dotted, green with thick. And fourth class is dashed, purple with 4 pixels width. All the 4 classes has the offset property as 5 pixels. That is, the distance between the border and the outline is 5 pixels. Now, in the body section, I have applied 4 classes to 4 different paragraph tags. First paragraph tag has ex1 class, then second paragraph ex2 class, third paragraph ex3 class, and fourth paragraph ex4 class. Now let us see how the output will be. This figure shows us the output. As it's a screenshot, you can see all the outlines are in black color, but when you run this program on the system, each outline will be in the specified color. Now first block has thin solid outline, second paragraph has medium double outline, third paragraph has thick dotted outline, and fourth paragraph has 4 pixels thick dashed outline. So this is about the outline properties. Now let us come to miscellaneous properties in CSS. So whatever the properties left out, that we are going to see now. In this, mainly we are going to discuss about 3 properties. One is cursor property, then second one is display property, and third one is visible property. Cursor property. Now this is a very interesting property where you can change the mouse cursor depending on the context. By default, the cursor property value is auto. That means depending on the context, the cursor is displayed. Now if you want to change that, then we can go for different values. For example, if cursor is crosshair, that means it displays a plus sign. If the cursor is default, it displays a arrow pointer, which you will be seeing very frequently. Then if cursor is pointer, it displays a hand. By default, this will be given for hyperlinks. If the cursor is text, it will display an I bar. If the cursor is help, you will get a balloon mark or question mark. Now come to the display property. Display property has mainly 3 values. One is block, second one is inline, third one is none. So it generally deals with how the element is displayed as a block element or an inline element, or it is not at all displayed. So if the display value, generally a block element starts at a new line and it is stretched out till the right, left to right, till the end. Inline element does not start in a new line. It is like it comes in a flow of words. So here, for example, if you take a division tag, paragraph tag, headings, all these are considered as block elements. And span tag, anchor tag, image, font, all this considered as inline elements. Now let us see, for example, by using these display properties, I can convert a block element into an inline element into a block element. Here, let us consider the example where I am changing an anchor, that is the hyperlink, into a block element. Block element means it starts in a new line. So here, generally, an anchor tag, it continues. It doesn't go to the next line. It doesn't start in the next line. It is an inline element. So if I want to convert an inline element to a block element, I can use like this. Display block. So that I have applied on a tag. So and hyperlink, on hyperlink, I'm changing that inline into block. Now I can even change an block element into an inline element. Generally a paragraph starts in a new line because it's a block element. Now I'm going to change that by making the paragraph display property as inline. So whenever this property is applied to a paragraph, it does not start in a new line. It will be continued from where the cursor is there. Now, third and most interesting property is display none. If I have given display none, then that element is not displayed. For example, display none is given to a paragraph, then this paragraph will not be displayed. Here you can see an example of display none. In this example, if you have seen, there are two heading tags and one paragraph tag. And I have applied style classes for heading tag. The class name is hidden. In that class, what I have done is I have made the display value as none. So first heading tag in the body section, I have not applied the class, but for the second heading tag in the body section, I have applied class equal to hidden, and third is a paragraph tag. So all the three are block elements. Each one will start in a new line. Now in the output, if you see the output, in the output only one heading is visible and paragraph of text is visible, but the second heading is not visible. If you want to make it visible, you have to change the display property of that h1. Instead of none, if I give inline, it will be continued like a normal text. This is about the display property. Next, visibility property. This is one of the most important properties. Generally, when we are using JavaScript, we can use it. If you want to hide something, for example, error messages are there. I want to hide it until and unless an error occurs, that message should not be displayed. So, till the user specifies, that will be in a hidden state. Once any error occurs, then the visibility property will change to visible. So here the display property has two values mainly. One is hidden and visible. If the visibility is hidden, then that element is not visible to the user. If the visibility is visible, then it is shown to the user. The element is shown to the user. So this is the visibility property in CSS. With this, we have completed the CSS miscellaneous properties. And with this, we have also completed the CSS topics. So we will start JavaScript in the next session. Thank you, girls. Good day.